Hello, welcome to the video on running demographics in SPSS. My name is Dr. Lydia Girogi, and I want to walk you through the process of running demographics in SPSS. There are two objectives for this video: run the demographics and export the tables. To run our demographics, we're going to start where we always start, in Analyze. But before we do that, I always want to make sure that I've got a table, or rather I've got a page ready in Word, ready to export my tables to. Alright, so we've got our trick-or-treat data open. We go to Analyze, we go to Descriptives, and we go to Frequencies. I'm going to move over, I'm going to hit reset, so that this is what it'll look closer to what it'll look like when you come in. So I'm going to move over all of my variables except for participant ID, because obviously I don't need that one, and then this is a filter, it's just something SPSS generated. So I move them over, I click on statistics, and I realize, oh, I'm not sure which statistics I need to generate, so I need to go back into the Word file, the template, and make sure that I get all the statistics out of there. So let's open that file, and we are going to scroll up. And we see we need mean, median, mode, standard deviation, range, skewness, and kurtosis for each of our variables. So let's pop that over here, see if we can lock it in place. And then we're going to click back onto this guy. We're going to close him out so we can move this over. And get him where he needs to be. Alright, we click on statistics, and we see mean, median, mode. We want standard deviation, we want range, we want skewness, we want kurtosis. Click continue, and then we click OK, and boom, now we have our table. So this is very likely going to have to get split into two separate tables because of how large it is, but let's just copy and paste it over so you can kind of get an idea of why that's going to happen. So we copy, and we want our blank file, and we're going to left justify and paste. Now you can see this is clearly not going to work with how many variables we have. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 easily fit on a page. So we're going to go back in and we're going to rerun this with just 5. So we go to Analyze, Descriptives, Frequencies, and we're going to count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we know we're going to have to stop here. So everything past that, click, and then I'm going to hold Shift to select all of those, move them over. I don't have to reselect my statistics as it's going to save those between each run. So I click OK. Now I've got this table. It has 5 that'll easily fit onto a single row or fit in the view. So I click Paste. Boom. Perfect. Now I'm going to go back in, Analyze, Descriptives, Frequencies. I'm going to move these guys over. Oop. And then I'm going to move these last 4 over. Click OK. Get my second table. Copy. And we're just going to go to the next page, and boom. Now I have my demographics. I might still want to adjust these titles because they are a little bit large, but otherwise we have 2 tables now of our statistics, of our variables that we can easily set up on the page, and a reader can easily come in behind us and read all of these statistics. Alright, if you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to ask.